Alsco Uniforms is a commercial laundry and textile solution provider, washing over 1.3 million kgs of laundry every week. We've just implemented a high temperature heat pump for our hot water generation that is recovering heat from our wastewater stream. We're going to reduce our reliance on gas and reduce our gas consumption.
It may sound a bit silly getting excited about a heat pump, but it is truly exciting. What we're looking at is getting up to 20 degrees of that temperature back into our system, which is going to save us about 170 kilowatts of energy per hour.
The heat pump has been running for 1 week now. It's really fresh, really new, just got commissioned last week. The initial results are great. When solar goes live, we will have excess solar, especially during the day, to be able to run that heat pump. So we're running it off 100% renewable electricity that's generated on site. We intend to implement this solution not just nationally at our 12 other facilities, but actually in New Zealand and Asia as well. Energy efficiency is business efficiency. You can never control what you pay for energy. Contracts come up at random times and it's quite a volatile market out there. What we can control is how much we consume. Start talking to people like A2EP and other people in this space that are working across industry, across other businesses. Learn from them and see what they're doing and take the first step.